Ambedkar, and many took part in the Indian struggle for independence. India was unified under British rule for 2 centuries, but the administration did not last long. It took about 200 years to remove the British monarchy. Great myths led by freedom fighters. Freedom is never given at any price. It is the breath of life. What would a man who never pay for living, said by Mahatma Gandhi. You can kill me, but you cannot kill my ideas, said by Bhagat Singh. Freedom fighters initiated steps and inspired a nation to take part in various national movements. Now let's look into a few major national movements that inspired the nation for independence. Number 1, Revolt of 1857. Number 2, Purna Swaraj. Number 3, Dandi March. Number 4, Swadeshi Movement. Number 5, Non-Cooperation Movement. Number 6, Quit India Movement. Number 7, Jallianwala Bagh Massacre. Number 8, last but not the least, Quit India Movement. And many other movements took place for independence. Now let's go into depth into few major national movements that inspired our nation for independence. Number 1, Swadeshi Movement. On 12th March 1930, in the town hall of Calcutta, Gandhiji started Swadeshi Movement. Gandhiji started Swadeshi Movement to curb the foreign rule by relying on domestic production. Swadeshi Movement led to the self-reliance of Atmashakti. Dandi March. Gandhiji started Dandi March from Sabarmati Ashram towards the small village of Dandi against the repressive collection of salt tax. Number
teachers and my dear sisters. Today I am Fatima Sena from 10th standard C section. Today I am going to speak about Indian freedom struggle. Freedom is never died at any price. It is the breath of life. It is beautiful quote by Mahatma Gandhi. I'll start my speech. Indian freedom struggle is one of the most significant progress in the history of India. The British people entered India in the year 1600 with the objective to take certain items like silk, tea, cotton, etc. and slowly started to rule the country. Therefore, British started to create chaos in India and made Indian people as their slaves. Therefore, India went through some of the hardest times to gain independence from the British rule. And the first movement against British was initiated in the year 1857 by Mangal Pandey, who was an Indian soldier and who was the first freedom fighter. There were various other movements that helped India to get independence. The freedom struggle was in the period between 1857 to 1947. The late 19th century saw the emergence of Indian nationalism. Indians felt they are one and they tried to overthrow the foreign rule, and this led to the Indian freedom struggle. Importance of Indian freedom struggle. Most importantly, freedom fighters inspired and motivated others to fight in the way of justice. They are the pillars behind the freedom movement. They made people aware of their rights and their powers. It is all because of the freedom fighters that we live in a prospered into a free country and free from any kind of injustice. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhiji was the started the freedom struggle, and he directed 3 major campaigns in the Indian freedom movement. In that, the first one is non-cooperation from 1992 to 1922, and the second one is civil disobedience movement and salt satyagraha from 1930 to 31, and the third one is Quit India movement from 1940 to 1942. The goal of the freedom struggle was both Gandhiji and Savarkar was freedom. For Gandhiji, the end has to be justified through the means of non-violence and satyagraha. The Indian Mutiny is also known as the Sipai Mutiny or the first war of Indian independence. Now I am going to say about some of the major events of the Indian freedom struggle. And then the first one is the Home Rule Movement 1916, Rowlatt Act, March 1990, Jallianwala Bagh Massacre, April 13, 1990, Swaraj Party, Jan 1922. And Simon Commission 1927, Pune Pact 1932, Cripps Mission 1942, and Cabinet Mission 1946. The British ruled India for more than 200 years. The freedom fighters are the reason.
My name is Shreya Dixit. I am studying in 10th standard E section. Today I will let you know the struggle and the emergence of Indian nationalism. In the late 19th century, India saw the importance of independence. So let's dive into the exciting
or I will come back wrapped in it. These thoughts are of a great soldier who are protecting our country from the enemies. They are inspired by our great national leaders Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Chennamma, are so many who have done so much for our country. When it comes to struggles, how can we forget about Bhagat Singh, Sukhadev, Rajguru, who were hanged and saying that we are happy to sacrifice our life for our nation. I am proud to be an Indian. I admire my fortune to have been born in this wonderful nation, India. Freedom fighters did not fight only for the freedom, but for everyone who were suffered in silence, lost their families and freedom, and the rights to live for themselves. Freedom fighters are those people who protect our country from the enemies.
ಭಾರತದ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಚಳವಳಿಯು ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯದಿಂದ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯಲು ಭಾರತೀಯರು ನಡೆಸಿದ ಹೋರಾಟ. ಇದು 1857ರಿಂದ 1947ರ ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 15ರವರೆಗೆ ನಡೆದ ಭಾರತದ ವಿವಿಧ ಸಂಘ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು, ದಂಗೆಗಳು, ಹೋರಾಟಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಣಹುತಿಗಳ ಸಂಗಮ. 1757ರ ಬಂಗದ ನವಾಬನಾಗಿದ್ದ ಸಿರಾಜುದ್ದೌಲವನ್ನು ಪ್ಲಾಸಿ ಕದನದಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಾಜಯಗೊಳಿಸಿದ. ಅಲ್ಪಕಾಲ ನಂತರ ಕಂಪನಿಯ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ರಾಬರ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲೈನ್ನ ಉಪಾಯಗಳಿಂದ ಬಂಗದ ಅಧಿಕಾರವನ್ನು ತನ್ನ ಕೈವಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡರು. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಹುಬೇಗ ತಮ್ಮ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ನೀತಿಗಳಿಂದ ಭಾರತದ ಬಹುಭಾಗವನ್ನು ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಕೈವಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡರು. ಪ್ಲಾಸಿ ಕದನದಿಂದ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ 100 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಮುಂದೆ, ಅಂದರೆ 1857ರ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಸಂಗ್ರಾಮ ಅಥವಾ 1757ರ ಸಿಪಾಯಿ ದಂಗೆ ಕಿಡಿಕಾರಿತು. ಆಂಗ್ಲರ ದಬ್ಬಾಳಿಕೆಯ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಸಿಪಾಯಿಗಳು, ದಂಗೆಗಳು ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಯೋಚನೆ ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ದಂಗೆ ಅಧಿಕಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಿತು. ಸಿಪಾಯಿ ದಂಗೆ ವಿಫಲವಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ಭಾರತದ ವಿದ್ಯಾವಂತರು ಎಚ್ಚೆತ್ತುಕೊಂಡರು ಹಾಗೂ ರಾಜಕೀಯವಾಗಿ ಸಂಘಟಿತರಾದರು. 1930ರಲ್ಲಿ
Hello to everyone present here. My name is Prince Raj. I am from 9th standard A section. I am so happy to have an opportunity to give a speech on Indian freedom struggle. Many freedom fighters were wounded and many were shot, and this is how the freedom we got. Indian freedom struggle has a great importance in the history of India. The people of entire India fought a lot to get the country freedom from the slavery of British. Today we are living in a free country, enjoying every rights and benefits of a free developing nation. It is because of our great freedom fighters have sacrificed their life without worrying about it. But this freedom is not a result of overnight struggle. India got independence from the British after a long struggle of 100 years. If at the time the countrymen had not raised their voice against the British, even today the country would have been in slavery for the British. The arrival of British in India. The British came to India in the year 1600 with the objective of doing business under the name of East India Company. They traded silk, tea and cotton and spread jobs in India, and they made slaves rise country, and we took the entire nation his slaves, and they persecuted the Indians. Due to this, our Indian people demanded for the freedom in the country. The revolt of 1857. Fettered with the dictatorship of British Empire, the countrymen decided to end the British rule, and in 1857, the first freedom struggle was started by an Indian soldier, Mangal Pandey. This revolt was not accidental but a result of discontent of the entire century. This revolt started with the military personnel on 10th May 1857 and was ended on 20th June 1958. Next, in 1859, Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi fought a glorious war to the British and later forces. Hindu, Christian, Muslim, Sikh and all other brave sons of India fought against the British and tried to remove the British rule in India. After this movement, many other movements were started against the British. This movement played an important role in securing the independence of India. The civil disobedience movement was a major role against the British, which was started in 1930 under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi ji. Meanwhile, Bhagat Singh was hanged for his country at the age of just 23, and the death of Lala Lajpat Rai encouraged Mahatma Gandhi ji to fight fight against the British. After the death of Bhagwat Singh, the Quit India movement was started in 1942. This movement showed a ray of hope in the people to fight against the British, but this movement was not so successful, but it shook the roots of British. The Chaprana Satyagraha in 1917, Ahmedabad Mill Strike in 1918, Keda Satyagraha, the first non-cooperation movement in 1918, the Dundee March, 12th March 1930, the non-cooperation movement is 1922 were the other important movement which was started against the British. Many freedom fighters like Chandrasekhar Azad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru started out to get the country independent. At final, British signed an agreement and decided to leave the country. After facing many struggles and because of the death and the sacrifice of many freedom fighters and national leaders, our India got independence on August 15, 1947. This day is a remarkable day in the history of India. The conclusion of Indian freedom struggle is all of us should take inspiration from the struggle of independence, and the freedom fighters are the only reason we live in a free country. We must honor the sacrifices and aim to live together in harmony and peace, and the spirit of dedication towards the country should be kept in mind. Don't think what your country can do for you. Think what you can do for your country. Freedom in the mind, strength in the words, pride in the soul, seal in the heart. Let's salute the great freedom fighters and the country. Jai Hind. Thank you.
I am going to speak about Indian freedom struggle. The fight for Indian independence is an important development in Indian history. Freedom fighters were those men who selflessly laid down their lives for the freedom of their country. In the year 1600, the British invaded India with the intention of trading products like tea, silk and cotton, and gradually started ruling the land, and gradually started creating anarchy which made people its slaves. India went through some of the toughest times to gain independence from the British rule, and in 1857 the first movement against the British was launched. In 1920, under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi, the non-cooperation movement was started to awaken the Indian independence movement. Many freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Chandrasekhar Azad were sacrificed their lives for the attainment of freedom. Also, the Indian National Army was formed in 1943 to drive out British from India. The British soon agreed a settlement and decided to exit India, which finally came into force on August 15, 1947, and we attained independence. Give me blood and I will give you freedom. This message was sent by Subhash Chandra Bose. Thank you.
Present here, I am here to speak a topic about Indian freedom struggle. The fight for the Indian freedom struggle is an important in Indian history. In the year 1600, the British involved India in the intention of trading products like cotton, silk, and tea, and automatically started ruling the land, and gradually started creating anarchy which made people its slaves. And the British took the control of entire country and started ruling the country. And the entire country struggled a lot for the freedom, and the freedom fighters sacrificed their life. If at that time the freedom fighters is not raised their hand against the British, our country could be the slavery of the British till today. It started at the 1930 in the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi's famous Dangal March, and meanwhile the Bhagat Singh, and in the age of 32 for the sake of country's freedom. Similarly, many freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bal Gangadhar Tilak,
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, etc. struggled hard for the freedom. Soon the British ruler signed an agreement and decided to leave the India. And India got the freedom on 15th August 1947. Thank you.
Present here, my name is Shakti Prasad. I am from 8th standard. I am going to speak about the Indian freedom struggle. The fight of Indian freedom struggle was a great important in the history of India. In 1600, the British involved India in the intention of trading products like silk, cotton, tea, gradually started ruling the land and automatically conquered the country. Gradually started creating authority which made people its slave. The fight of Indian independence gave a lot of importance. In the year 1857, the first freedom fighters of Indian soldier was Mangal Pandey. Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi fought a glorious war against the British and led a force in Hindu, Muslim, Sikhs, and a brave son of India fought a lot to get freedom from the British. The leadership of Mahatma Gandhi ji started from Gandhi's famous Dandi March. After that, in the year 1942, the Quit India movement started. Similarly, many freedom fighters like Subhash Chandra Bose, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Mahatma Gandhi ji, Chandrasekhar Azad, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru fought a lot to get country freedom. Soon, the British decided to leave India and signed an agreement, and India got freedom on 15th August 1947. Thank you.
During the time of slavery under the Britishers, the freedom struggle involving in several movements, protests, arguments from 1857 to 1947. The entire freedom struggle for independence was a long battle and difficult time for the people of the nation. A big salute to the courage of the freedom fighters who were never losing their hopes in the freedom Indians and making India a free nation on 15th August 1947. The revolt of 1857 was the starting of freedom struggle of independence. This was the first time that India broke their silence and raised their voice against the British. This resulted at the end of ruling the East India Company and came into the hands of British Crown. The Indian National Congress took place in the year 1885 by A.O. Hume. This was the most important step in the freedom struggle of independence. Samprana Satyagraha movement initiated by Mahatma Gandhi in the year 1917. The farmers of Samprana Satyagraha movement protested silently, not forcing them to grow indica in their fields. The people gathered large in members to celebrate the festival of Baisakhi in Amritsar. The order by General Dyer to open fire on mob resulted in killing more than 350 people in the incident. This incident gave speed to the freedom struggle of independence. There were many freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Sukhdev and Rajguru died at very young age while fighting for the freedom of the nation. Our great contribution leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmibai and Jasbullah Khan and Jawaharlal Nehru and many others. The people of India resulted the Indian independent nation on 15th of August and year 1947. Freedom of mind is the real freedom.
From 9th standard A section, I am going to speak about Indian freedom struggle. Indian freedom struggle is one of the most significant progress in the history of India. It is essentially for the new generation to know the certain lessons about freedom struggle of India and to get and how the independence we got. objectives to trade certain items like silk, tea and cotton, and slowly they started ruling the country, and they gradually started to create chaos in India and made Indian people their slaves. Therefore, the India has the very hardest time to gain independence. Therefore, India had hardest time to get independence from the British rule, and the first movement against British was initiated in the year 1857 by Mahatma Gandhi, who was an Indian freedom soldier. There are various other movements which helped India to gain independence. Some were civil disobedience movement. This movement was against the British monopoly due on salt, which Indians cannot manufacture and trade on it, and they have to buy salt from the British people by paying huge sums of money. Quit India movement was another hope for Indians to gain independence, which was instigated by Mahatma Gandhi ji and National Congress on 8th August 1942 during Second World War. However, it was unsuccessful, but the British realized that their power is declined gradually in India. Also in the year 1943, Indian National Army was formed to impel British out of India. Yeah. After some time, British has settled in an agreement and they thought to go out and move out of India. This constitution took place in 15th August 1947, and so India gained independence, and it is our 75th year which we got freedom. Jai Hind.
ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಪೌರ್ಣಮಿ. ನಾನು 9ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ಎ ವಿಭಾಗ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. 1947ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಆಳ್ವಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ಭಾರತರು ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಆಯಿತು. 15ನೇ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿವಾಜಿ ಮಹಾರಾಜರದು ಮೊದಲ ವೈದ್ಯವಾಗಿದ್ದರು. 15ನೇ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಟಿಪ್ಪು ಸುಲ್ತಾನ್ ಅವರದು ಮೊದಲ ವೈದ್ಯವಾಗಿದ್ದರು. 22ನೇ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಅವರು ಮೊದಲ ವೈದ್ಯವಾಗಿದ್ದರು. ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಹಾನ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ರಾಣಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀಬಾಯಿ, ಕಿತ್ತೂರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ, ನೇತಾಜಿ ಸುಭಾಷ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಬೋಸ್, ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ, ಶಿವಾಜಿ ಮಹಾರಾಜ್ ಇತ್ಯಾದಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಾಡು ಎಲ್ಲವ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಂದು ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದರು. ನೀವು ನನಗೆ ರಕ್ತ ಕೊಡಿ, ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಎಂದು ಸುಭಾಷ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಬೋಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
My name is Satyapradeep. I am going to speak about Indian freedom struggle. The Indian freedom struggle has a great importance in the history of India. The people of entire India fought a lot to get the country freedom from the slavery of the British. For the sake of our great freedom fighters who sacrificed their life while laughing without worrying about their life, if at that time the countrymen would have not raised the voice against the British, then even today the country would have been in the slavery of the British. Initially, British came to India in the year 1600 with the objective of doing business under the name of East India Company. Under the guise of silk, tea and cotton trade, he started spreading the chaos in India and gradually made the country his slave. And after the British took the rule of the entire country into their hands and started persecuting the Indians, and due to this the gradually demand for the freedom started arising in the country. The revolt of 1857, fed up with the dictatorship, and the countrymen decided to end the British rule, and in this year 1857 1857, the first freedom struggle was started by an Indian soldier, Mangal Pandey. This was a great event against the British. This struggle was not accidental but a result to the entire century. The revolt of 1857, which began with the name of the Revolt of Military Personnel and spread out throughout the frontier channels to begin against the British. Among the soldiers, the common citizens and the largely princely states of the country also participated in this struggle. Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi fought a glorious war against the British and led her forces. Hindu, Muslim and Sikhs and all other brave sons of India fought a lot to get the country freedom from the slavery of the British. The reservation with the British took so many years, within 1 year, which started in Meerut on 10th May 1857 and ended in 21st June of 1858. The civil disobedience movement was one of these major movements which was started in 1930, which was under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. It was started by Gandhiji's famous Dandi March. Meanwhile, Bhagat Singh was hanged at the age of just 23. The death of Lala Lajpat Rai encouraged him to fight against the British, and Bhagat Singh was hanged along with Sukhdev and Rajguru on 23rd March 1931. And the Quit India movement started in 1942. Similarly, many freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Balagangadhar Tilak, etc. struggled a lot to get independence from the British. Soon the British signed an agreement and decided to leave India, and India got freedom on 15th August 1957. After a stiff struggle, the India got freedom. The history of India is very vast. Truth alone will win. Thank you.
Struggle has great importance for the history of India. The people of entire India fought. The people of entire Asia fought to get the country freedom from the slavery of British for the freedom. Our great freedom fighters sacrificed their lives for the life by laughing without worrying about their lives. They fight for With the sacrifice and courage of freedom fighters, India got independence. Most probably, freedom fighters were the pillars of freedom movement. Gandhiji started various movements such as civil disobedience movement, Quit India movement, non-cooperation movement, and Satyagraha movement. Gandhiji succeeded in Satyagraha movement and he fought against the apartheid police in Africa.
My name is Vinodan. I am from 10th standard A section. The topic is Indian freedom struggle. The reason for the Indian freedom struggle is many provinces came under the control of British because of these rules. As a result, Indians were upset. They were dissatisfied with the British administration too. This led to the revolt of 1857, which is known as the First War of Independence or Sipahi Mutiny. The causes for the First War of Independence: military causes. The causes for the First War of Independence: political causes. Many kingdoms lost their rights due to the promulgation of the doctrine of lapse. Consequently, lack of people who depend on the kings were lot of people who depend on the kings were unemployment. This became the main cause for the first war of independence. Economic causes. Due to the industrial revolution in the England, lot of Indian handicrafts and cottage industries were and England, instead of a trading company, became a hub of the industries. British imposed lot of tax on the trade. British imposed lot of tax on the trading of sales of Indian goods in England. An income commission was created for collecting a gifted tax from the people. This led to the revolt of the British against the government. Administrative causes. English became the language of the British in the courts. Most of the time, British judges favored the British. Were not understood by the common people. Military causes.
And my dear brothers and sisters, I am going to speak about few points I want to share about Indian freedom struggle. The Indian independence movement was a series of historic events with an aim of Indian Independence Day. They lasted from 1857 to 1947. The first national revolutionary movement for the Indian independence. They used to travel more, but they lasted for 200 years. From the Indian independence was influenced by Rabindranath Tagore, Subramania Bharati, and some of them helped by the struggles for Indian freedom struggle. And in women's, Sarojini Naidu and Kasturba Gandhi were the Indian women, and their participation in the freedom struggle.
Good afternoon, my dear teachers and my dear brothers. My name is Hemant. I am from 10th A section. The topic is Indian freedom struggle. With the objective of